All right, time for some Tuesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to begin in Baxter Springs with Isaac Zom celebrating birthday number 8. A very happy birthday to you, Isaac.
All right, and happy 19th birthday to Shaitan Parks. You have a lovely note here that says, "Happy birthday, Shai. We love you."
And we've also got Kelsey Ammerman. Nice throwback picture there, celebrating birthday number 36 over in Independence, Kansas. A very happy birthday to you, Kelsey.
And taking it over to Sheldon, Missouri, happy 37th birthday to Aaron Stacy.
And over to the west in Arma, Mitch Huddleston celebrating birthday number 51. And Mitch Huddleston is an Army veteran, and we thank you for your service, sir, and hope that you have a fantastic birthday today.
Absolutely. And of course, over in Carthage, Missouri, Brenda Burke turns 53. Now, Brenda has a sweet message from her husband. It says, "Happy birthday, Brenda," from your husband, Mike.
All right, and down over in Columbus, Carol Maddox celebrating another year wiser today. Very happy birthday to you, Carol.
And happy birthday to Fred Edwards in Crestline, Kansas. Hope you have a special day, Fred.
And in Columbus, Tara Hutto celebrating a birthday today. Very happy birthday to you, Tara. And she's pictured there with her daughters, Reagan and Riley.
All right, and happy birthday to Deanna Edwards with a sweet note that says, "Happy birthday to my beautiful sister. I love you." It's so sweet.
And down to the south in Wyandotte, Lindia McLaughlin celebrating another year wiser today as well. Very happy birthday to you.
And a big one here, Friends Flawless Wallace, a KOAM photographer here. Happiest a birthday to you, Friends.
Friends is absolutely one of the coolest photographers to work with. We're really blessed here with a great team, and Friends is part of that, and he is fantastic to work with. I've had some fun with him on different news stories and little news adventures here in the 4 states, so very happy birthday to you, Friends. That was an amazing birthday list, and what's most important is our little sheet of paper here didn't have any without pictures. That's how we want it to stay. Caitlin, how can they help us?
All right, if you want to submit your birthdays or anniversaries to us to give you all a shout out here on the Morning News, just send us an email with pictures and any personalized letters to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And of course, if you head over to koamnewsnow.com, you can submit your birthdays there, and I think more importantly, you can sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club. It is super easy to do. It doesn't cost a thing, and in this day and age, hey, something free is best. And it gives you great things like great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So just head on over to koamnewsnow.com and you can sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club today.